been a little over a year since we've been able to get together for our premier community volunteering effort, which was also known as Christmas in April.
Rebuilding Together Metro Chicago believes that everyone deserves a safe and healthy place to live.
The last time we were here in 2019, we had a really special guest to help us jumpstart our event. We have, once again, the same special guest here with us today to help us jumpstart this year's event. So it is my pleasure to welcome the mayor of the city of Chicago, the Honorable Lori Light.
2 years ago, I was here with you. I think we were at a school on the south side, and the energy in the room of the people that were there about to go out and do great things for members of the community was one of the most remarkable experiences that I've had so far as mayor. Now, a lot's happened in the last 2 years, but the fact that you all are coming back again today, even with COVID still present in our city, putting together what are literally life-saving packages for fellow neighbors in need, and then delivering those packages is going to be another expression of how great this union is.
On behalf of myself and Donnie Finn, the business manager, I thank you so much. This is a big, big thing, and it really shows in today's day how a group like us, or the contractors in the community, can make a difference.
We have volunteers out there now doing very simple projects, landscaping. They're all going to be getting some wonderful safety kits that include very key and integral parts to having a safe and warm home: carbon monoxide detectors, fire detectors. These are all things that our homeowners don't have the ease and access of obtaining on a regular basis. We are able and capable to be out here today, all things considered, serving 56 homeowners in the Englewood and Chicago Heights neighborhood.
The work that you do makes a huge, lasting difference. I just want to say thank you on behalf of the people that you're going to reach today, who are going to be so grateful that you have shown up for them, particularly in this time of need.
You all and some of your partners are going to be out there over the next 75 days or so doing other projects. We're going to be replacing doorbells. We're going to be giving new carbon monoxide installation. We're going to be doing new lights on ports. All really good things that we're going to be helping our homeowners with.
The packages will have the team that you're with, the number of bags with that team, and the addresses. Once you get that, you stop by the location to pick up the number of bags for your team. You store that into your vehicle and you go to the addresses that are highlighted for your team. Make sure we ring the doorbell. If we don't get an answer on the doorbell, knock on the door. If they don't answer the door, there is a number to call. If they do not call, do not be discouraged. Just drop the bag off at the porch doorstep, and then you're done and on to the next location.
Moving forward here,
All right,
please.
all
I'm
right,
gonna do
I'm
a hook
moving
shot
down.
here.
Here we
Thank
go.
you.
Sky hook.
Thank you.
So the work that you do, the sacrifice that you make every single day, and extending yourselves to your fellow residents of Chicago, there are no words to express how meaningful and powerful that is. So I'll just end by saying thank you. Thank you so much to the union, but thank you to the IBEW and the supporting contractors who really make this happen. Your partnership is so unique, but so powerful because you're getting stuff done on behalf of our city.